Hello viewers and welcome to this week's edition of Tech Tips. My name is Cristina and I am a software application specialist here at StrucSoft. So as some of you may know who use the Truss software, we can create specific profiles using our automated commands, but we also have the option to create Oddball Trusses, and that's what I'll be covering today. So creating an Oddball Truss can be done anywhere in Revit free space. For this example, however, I'm going to follow the profile for this specific roof truss. First thing I'm just going to do is set my drawing plane. So I can go ahead, set, pick a plane, and I'll just pick the face of this wall. Once I have that set up, I can go ahead, just use regular Revit model lines, and I'm just going to go follow the profile of this roof. So I can zoom in, start on that wood structural layer, for example, and just draw my lines. I can pick whatever layer of the roof I'd like, but I'm just going to go ahead and follow this profile. I can follow the profile of the walls as well, and just connect that. Just going to go ahead and isolate this profile. When I've got a closed modular loop, I'm satisfied with what my profile looks like. I can go ahead, select all of my model lines, and I'm just going to make a group. So this group category will also be the name of your truss. So I'll just call that Truss A. Once I've got my model group, I can go ahead and create it like I would any other truss. So I'm just going to select my profile, hit create. I'm going to go ahead and select this test default template that I've created earlier, simple back-to-back truss. And I'm going to head and click OK, and it's going to open up in my Truss Designer. Now that's all that's left for me to do before I can go ahead and generate my web is set my members. So I've got the option to double click, and I can maybe choose that as my top, or I can go to the shortcuts that we've created for our Truss software and use these to label my individual members. So I can hit T for top, B for bottom, and H for my two heels. You'll notice that the oddballs are a bright red color. Once I've labeled all of my members, the software will bring up this dimensioning to then tell me that I can go ahead and generate my web. Those two members here that were left as oddball, software is not too sure what to do with them. So when I go ahead and generate, it'll just remove those members, leave that top chord with an overhang, and also followed my other top chord with an overhang that I drew myself. Once I'm satisfied with my truss, I can go ahead and hit OK, and I've got my Truss A oddball back-to-back truss. This will create one profile, one truss. If I did want to create multiple ones throughout my roof, simple as just using my copy and paste command in Revit. So I can select multiple here and just go ahead and paste it at whatever spacing I wish. So this has been your weekly edition of Tech Tips. I'm Cristina. Thank you for listening.